The next concept is the network topology. Basically, it is possible to connect the computer in many different way in the network. So the way of connecting the computer, which is called as a topology. Basically, it is depends on the manner of connecting the computer. We can have a different topology. So ही काय एक मेथड आहे की कोणत्या वेने किंवा कोणत्या फॉर्मने आपण नंबर ऑफ सिस्टम्स काय करणार आहे, कनेक्ट करणार आहे. देर इज अ मल्टिपल वे टू कनेक्ट द डिफरंट computer. Basically, the computer topology is defined as the logical arrangement of the computer of computers. So, or the node, we can say the computer is similar to the node. The word physical network topology is used to explain the manner in which the network is connected. Device or the node in the network get connected to each other via the communication link, either with the help of wired or wireless media. The geometric representation of such a relationship like a node is known as a topology of the network. So we can consider the different types of topology. First is a mesh topology. Second one is a star topology. Third one is a bus topology. Fourth one is ring topology. Fifth, tree topology. Sixth, hybrid topology. This is the way through which we have to prepare the network, or physically we can connect the number of systems for preparing the network, called as a topology. So this topology can be classified into the basic two types, peer-to-peer and primary and secondary section. So first one we discuss the peer-to-peer, and second one is primary secondary. So the peer-to-peer relationship where the device shares the link equally means every computer can connect with the another computer. For example, ring and mesh topology is the example of peer-to-peer. And the primary and secondary relationship, one device controls and other device have to transmit through it. For example, in that case, the centralized system is available. For example, star topology, tree topology is an example of primary and secondary. So next topic is which parameter we can use for selection criteria for the topology. Means on which basis we need to be a select the topology. Basically, it's totally depends on the user requirement or the purpose of that particular network. So each network topology mentioned, this far has its own advantage and disadvantage. So with the help of the requirement of the particular network or the organization need, we can select the type of topology, because every topology having the different features, advantages and disadvantages, which is totally depends on the features or the functionality of that particular topology. First point is the size of the network, means how much system is prepared or used in particular network. So the size of network is a parameter on which the network topology is selected. Next one is a ease of configuration. Ease of configuration and the installation. Third one is need of security in terms of data or in terms of system security. Next one is a need of network administration. If we want to, network administration is there, so we need a basically a client server type of topology, for example star topology or tree topology. In our college we use the star topology for the sharing purpose, so the centralized system is used, so which is depend on the college requirement, we can select the type of topology. So need of network administration. Fifth one is the ease of adding a new device. If we prepare the particular device, so or the particular network, and after some time span we need to add the another system. So every network is not possible uh, to add the new system at any time of or any instant time. So depends on the requirement of user. If we want to add the new system after some 2 days or after 2 months, so according to that situation we select the type of topology, because if we select the ring topology, so ring is depend on the one each other. If we want to add the particular system in between the two system, so every system is get shut down when we adding the new features or adding the new system. So in that case we cannot refer the ring topology. In that case we can refer the star topology, because the particular network is not disturbed while we enter or inserting the new system in the network. So depends on the need of adding the new device in the current network. Next one is a ease of fault indications and rectification. Ease of fault indication, rectification means which topology we have to select, in which we have to easily recognize the fault, or we can easily rectify that fault, and with the help of some solutions we can remove that particular fault. So according to that we can select the type of topology. Next one is cost involved. If every organization is not capable to buy the or capable to invest the same amount of money in the particular network, so which is totally depends on the how much cost is required for investing or preparing the network. So depends on that we can select the type of topology. These are the parameter through which we have to select the topology for preparing the network.